All right. So then you're going to Demby Showgrounds, you're going to Ram Jam and all this, and you're seeing this. Which was the artist that definitely said, you know what? This is the artist that really inspired me. I like what this artist is doing.
Great Professor Nuts.
Mm-hmm.
No apology. See? Because, I was a youth at them time. I have a bigger brother named Bardi, William. He used to get the opportunity to go stir Mars and reggae Ram Jam and all that. I was a younger youth, and my old lady, she cared about me, and she never want my little son go out there and leave vulnerable, see? So I used to stay in the house, see? I can't wait to grow up to get the opportunity to go out there, See? So, I grew up now, be about 14, 15 now, 13, 14. Get the opportunity now for go reggae Ram Jam now. Not to go inside, to stay outside because I don't have the money to go inside. Now there's a time now where they will open the gate in the morning, so stay sure to keep on time, And the morning them open the gate, so look good on the camera. See? So I get the opportunity when the gate open to go take in this artist named Professor Nuts. Great Professor Nuts, And from there, so I say I want to pursue a career as a music man. So I take it on from this, from Mr. Professor Nuts,
From you seeing Nuts. And what was it about Nuts that you definitely liked about what he was doing?
He was exceptional. He was different from the rest, The whole all of the other artists them was like they were like the same, doing the same thing. But when Professor Nuts came out, it was a difference, It was a difference. It was his lyrics was tight, his composition was very tight, and entertaining. Very entertaining, So I decided that if I'm going to go into music, I want to be an entertainer. I want to go out there and entertain people and let people have a nice time. And at the end of the night, tomorrow morning, they can remember me. That's my motto. That's my motto in a concert. That's why enough people say, yo, Silver Cat, whenever I see Silver Cat Iron Clap on a stage show, him wreck it, him take it, Dada take it, see? But me take them thing there personal because I'm telling you, we never bust from studio, a recording studio. We bust from, as I tell you, platform. We did the reggae Ram Jam, the Demby Agricultural Show. So it's a stage thing me really observe. I like that. I like entertainment. See? So I decided, if I go and be an artist, I don't want confuse and know me. I want to go out there and entertain the people and let the people have a nice time, enjoy themselves. And in the morning they can say, yo, Silver Cat, boy, what an artist, great man, yo, Silver Cat, mash up the place, dog. So that's my motto.
It was there. So it was performance, was lyrics, like Professor Nuts, and performance is what really got you. Said, this is what I want to show that I could perform.
It was the lyrics. And the composition or you write his lyrics and put his stuff together, and it was entertaining because, as I said, I repeat again, it was entertaining because it was full of humor and stuff like that. So me just keep laughing. I laughed one time. I end up on the ground, I roll and everything there, And I find it very interesting, I find it very, very interesting,
Got you. So what were your first moves to start to get into music? Were you in the school choir, play? What were your first moves to get into the business?
Then I get to the day, I'm a four guy over there, And as I tell you, I was a professional and all these great man, and me I hear them in my house, what them be sure about me, seeing. So I say I want to pursue my career as a music man. So I done a four guy over there and knock some pan with my friend Lala Bella them and Vincent them and some great youth with the around me, And we are not the business and not the pan them and we love it. So I look at studio making a maple name Woods Recording Studio. We start visit the studio there, and look at sound man when I come around and from the countryside and the mountain, come down from up on the mountain there. And 1, 2 dub plates, you know, them can't afford the dub in a Kingston. So go run a jammings. So them stop off them a Maypen, you know, run a Woods recording studio. And I couldn't get the opportunity now to sing pan a dub plate. And in those days, we were well vast and coming up very strong, and you know we know what we're doing, and we have lyrics in our head, good lyrics though. We can kill sound. See, so from them time the sound man always come check we, and we always advise the sound man. So a lot of sound man at the mountain, we go to the mountain, they will play Silver Cat and play a lot of youth around. See, Bobo Aglan, Sister Marie, and you know a lot of artists. You know, play. And great supervisor Piggy, who is a DJ Panjaro, him passed to the studio there some of the time, you know, and him see I and I as a talented youth, and him say, you can know, I can bring in the city, you know. And supervisor Piggy bring me go Penthouse. See, because if me go Penthouse, the door now go open because a certain artist can open doors in them time. The supervisor Piggy was a talented youth and him know him. Supervisor Piggy bring me go Penthouse, and on the day supervisor Piggy bring me to Penthouse, and I see some great man in that yard, you know. Some great man. Great man like Barry Saman, Tony Rebel, Uta Bantan, Beanie Man, Little Kirk, Tanto Metro, Snagapus. We could go on and on and on, you know. And from the day I go to the yard, I say, you know, and I come back out of the yard, you know. You see me? So I just start from right at Penthouse right there, you know.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.